Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to center text in Notion. So one is using spaces, okay? So very easy. What you basically do is come here at the start and hold space or keep pressing space until you feel that it is centered. This is not the most perfect way though. The other way is writing /3C, okay? And then click here for 3 columns. So we have column 1, column 2, column 3. So this is the column method, okay? As you can see right here, it is not perfectly, centered, but I'll show you now the most perfect method. But the only thing with this one is it kind of changes the formatting of the text. So let's say we do this. So this is the block method, okay? We come here and right click on these dots, these 6 dots. Come here to turn into, hover over here, you'll see all of these options. I want you to turn this into a block equation. And there you go. Everything here is perfectly centered. So I can change this perfectly centered. And there you go. Really that easy and simple.